Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a product to install and review for the Ranger back here. So let me show you what we got. Now this product I've already installed once. I think the machine, I had it maybe a few days and I installed it. And now I've got to install one of them again. So the product I'm referring to would be these square frame plugs. So I've already got one right here in the machine, but on this side, while I was hunting this year, driving through the cornfields with all the corn stalks, one of the corn stalks ripped one of those plugs out. So install simple, they just press right in. They are a little bit of a firm fit, which is good, but I had to have just caught a corn stalk just right to get this thing to pop out. Let me go ahead and get that pushed in. I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, that thing is pushed in all the way. Had to push on it pretty good. It was pretty snug, but it is installed, so now I have one back on each side. Now these extras, I'm going to just leave them in the bag, and I'm going to toss them in the glove box. Now the reason those plugs are so important on these machines is from the factory that frame hole is open, and if you get a bunch of mud and debris and stuff up there in your frame, then over time it's just going to slowly rust out from the inside out, because the inside of those frames aren't painted like the outside is. So being able to keep all the dirt and debris out of the frame is just going to make your machine last a whole lot longer. That was one of the first things I put on this machine. It literally was the second thing I put on this machine. I only had it for a couple days, just because I felt that that was needed. With all the mud and everything that I drive through, I didn't want the frame to get packed full of mud. So just being able to keep that out, it's going to help the longevity of your machine. So anyways, hope you found this video helpful. I know it was short and sweet and just a simple install. Those plugs, I want to say for a pair of them is about $8 or $10, maybe $12. I don't remember exactly what I get for these, but whenever I got back from my hunting trip and seen that one of them was removed, I went ahead and ordered them another set then. So now I do have one spare, one of the square plugs stuck in the glove compartment. Haven't had any issues the last 3 years with those plugs being in there, but this year I just seem to have caught a corn stalk just right, and it popped one of them out. Anyways, that problem is alleviated now. So if you found any information helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and we'll see you all in the next one. Thanks, guys.